y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Today I'm coming to y'all with a recreation. I decided to do a Chloe and Halle recreation. I just saw this video pop up on my trending on YouTube. It is Forgive Me. They just gave me some content, okay? I love the makeup. I love the hair, and that is what I'm going to recreate for y'all today. So if you want to see this Chloe and Halle Forgive Me recreation, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. We are going from 13K onward, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. I might be giving y'all more than one video a week. You know, your girls want to see what she can do, okay? So make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm actually using a picture of Halle as my recreation inspiration. I will go ahead and put that picture right here. And I just really love her hairstyle in particular. I love that they gave us a real good close-up of her makeup, and I just love the softness of it. I love the grungy smoky eye. I love everything about it, so I will be using that picture. I also am taking some elements of Chloe. I will kind of switch back and forth between those two pictures, but for the most part I'm going off of Halle's picture. Okay, so first things first, we need to tackle this hair. Okay, yes, I already have a tutorial of these distress locks up on my channel, so I will leave that link above and in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. So first thing I'm gonna do in order to prep our hair is actually moisturize my scalp. Take a spray bottle with water, and I'm just gonna spray my scalp to give it some type of moisture. And yes, this is a full protective style, meaning that my hair is covered literally from roots to ends. So the majority of hair maintenance that I'm gonna do is gonna be to my scalp, to maintain my scalp health. So now that we've hydrated our scalp with some water, I'm gonna go in with just some oil. I'm just gonna make sure that my scalp is nice and oiled. I'm just gonna massage that in. All right, so our hair is prepped and now we are ready to style. Halle has like 4 jumbo cornrows, and in between those she has like some mini cornrows. So we're gonna see what we can do with our own hair. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Interesting, I only have 4 rows on each side, which means we're gonna have to cheat this a little bit. So I'm just taking this larger section and I'm gonna use this as my jumbo cornrow.
Basically, the way my locks are installed, I'm not gonna have any space to do the mini cornrows in between, so you're just gonna see me do 4 jumbo cornrows. But overall, I think the look still came out pretty nice and pretty accurate.
So that is 1 cornrow.
One thing I love about Chloe and Halle is their locks. They style those locks like to the T, and they do so much with them. If you want to see me do a distressed lock styling tutorial, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below and I can bring that to y'all.
We tried, Halle girl. We tried to do it just like yours, but we can't do it just like yours. I wonder who did their hair. Probably Dr. Kari. So I'm going to take ponytail holders to secure each one of these cornrows at the very bottom. This is what the ends look like. I can't really braid all the way to the very bottom, so I'm just going to secure this with a ponytail holder. Like so. And then that is what they're gonna look like at the ends. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these edges, child. In the picture, it doesn't really look like Halle's edges are like swooped or anything. They kind of look like they're pulled back into the cornrows. But I'm gonna take a little bit of artistic license and we're gonna swoop my baby hairs, okay? Edges, excuse me. Let's swoop the edges because I don't want nobody coming for me saying, that's not baby hair. Relax. We're gonna use our Thank Me Later.
Listen, if you don't know about the Thank Me Later Edge Gel, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and watch my review of that product. I will link it above in the iCards as well as in the description box. Y'all have to purchase this gel, like, period. Jaila approved.
Hair is done. Now we need to go ahead and move on to the face. We're looking at Halle's eyes, and it's giving us very much a grungy, smoky eye. Not too dark, so not a lot of elements of black, but definitely like ash, soot, gray, warm crease. And then, of course, the star of the show is the rhinestone liner. So that is what we're going to focus on first, and then I'm going to go ahead and work on the face makeup, which is very subtle, not too beat, but definitely elements of blush, definitely elements of bronzer and contour, and then they have like a peachy pinky nude lip. Simple enough. The eyes are going to be the most interesting part, so let's go ahead and get started on those. come in. Okay, so let's get into the eyes. First thing I noticed is that the crease is very warm. So what I'm actually gonna do is take my bronzer color and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that into the crease. Already getting kind of grungy. I think it's because I did not set my concealer before going in with that bronzer, but it's okay because grunge is what we're going for. I'm going to deepen that up just a little bit with some chocolate brown, and this should again make it really easy for us to get super grungy. I'm going to use this brush to continue to go deeper and deeper. I'm going to grab another blending brush, and with this blending brush I'm literally just going to blend. Now I'm going to go into this Smokey eye palette. It's literally made to smoke things out. I'm going to get some of that brown and I'm basically going to take this all the way down to the lid. I'm going to go into an actual gray color that I have. I've never used it before, so I'm kind of scared, but I really do want to see if that adds to the grayness of the smoke, because right now we've only been using brown colors, but I really do want that element of gray in there. Next thing I'm going to do is go across my lash line and I'm going to take an actual black. It has a little bit of shim to it, but not too much. And I'm basically going to line my lash line with this black shadow. Now I know that's super sloppy shadow work. I'm gonna spend the rest of our time blending, blending, blending. The most important part of this entire look is the rhinestones. So I actually have these rhinestones from a nail art kit that I got, and I'm going to use the silver rhinestones at the bottom to go ahead and line my lash line. She has like 7 rhinestones on each eye. You can't forget the one that basically goes into the inner corner. So don't put the glue on the back of your hand. It dries too quickly that way. I'm going to try to put it on this type of material and see if that will help me out. But we got 2 placed so far.
Can't remember if I already said this, but I'm literally just using dual lash glue to apply these rhinestones. They did not bother me. It did not irritate my eyes at all day.
So that is one eye studded out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, girl, because that took too long. And then I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the face because it doesn't look like anything too out of the ordinary. So I'll be right back in just a few.
Alright y'all, so here is the face makeup. Again, I'm literally whizzing through this. All of the products that I use will be linked in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested in any of the products that I use. Only things I'm going to emphasize in this look is the blush, the bronzer, and the contour, because again, those were the elements that I really noticed in Halle's picture. Other than that, I'm using a peachy pink nude, and that is it, y'all. So sorry, people are talking in the background. My house is never really quiet, but yeah, that's what I'm doing for the face. And let me know what y'all think about how the face makeup came out.
Y'all, so this is the face. What are we thinking? And I think we did it. The only thing is she does have a couple of moles on her face, and I guess we can kind of give ourselves faux freckles. So what I'm going to kind of do is just enunciate the marks I already have on my face. So I just went ahead and added a couple of beauty marks on my face to enunciate what I already have on my face, and this one is completely made up to mimic Halle's. I also went ahead and added some earrings and a choker. I don't really have any jewelry that mimics hers exactly, so I kind of just went with the flow. I am going to change my top because the top she has on is black with like some studded rhinestone detailing, and I thought that this top was kind of similar to that, so I'm gonna go ahead and change my shirt. We almost done, y'all. Let me go ahead and change this shirt real quick. I was gonna do it in front of the window, but now I can't because somebody done pulled up on me. Hold on real quick. Okay, so okay girl, okay, we see you. Okay, last thing I actually wanted to do to really commit to the style is pull some inspiration from Chloe's picture. So we've been looking at Halle this whole time, but Chloe had on some beautiful long black stiletto nails, and I thought it was just the perfect thing to complete this entire look. So I went ahead and made my own press-on nails, y'all. Yes, I've been watching so many nail videos on YouTube, and I finally committed to making my own press-on nails. And this morning I just threw together these press-on nails. Normally I would use glue or some adhesive tabs to do this, but since I'm only going to wear these for the pictures and the videos, I'm just going to take the actual sticky tack that I used to connect it to the holder. I'm just going to literally use that sticky tack as like my glue, and I'm just going to press it on just like that. And now we have a nice long stiletto nail. So just like that, we fully committed to the style. Okay, let me go ahead and do the other hand, and then I'll come back. Oh, my camera just died. Lord have mercy, God. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is my Chloe and Halle Forgive Me recreation. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section below, okay? So let's go over the look from top to bottom. We have our cornrows on our distressed locks as inspired by Halle. We have a smoky eye with a rhinestone studded lash line as inspired by the both of them. Face inspiration came directly from Halle, including a little bit of our faux freckles. Took some artistic liberties with the jewelry because, again, I don't really have a lot of silver jewelry like that, so I kind of had to work with what I got. The top we're wearing is giving more Halle than it is Chloe, but these nails, honey, these nails are 100% Chloe. Let me know how you think I did in the comment section below. Did I recreate this look well? Comment your favorite song off of the Ungodly Hour album. I really love Do It. That's just how we do it. Do it. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing me recreate this look. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share it with other people. I appreciate you. And if you feeling it, you can, go ahead and tag Chloe and Halle in it so they can see it somehow. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.